Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about inverse matrix. So now I will show you the technique. We have the matrix A equal to A, B, C, D. If we do about the matrix, inverse matrix, you will got about 1 over A multiplied with D minus C multiplied with B and we have the matrix A and D, they will swap together, so we have D in here, A will go in here, C and B, they just have only negative sign. So we have this matrix A equals to 7, 3, number 2 and number 4. If we do about inverse matrix, you will got about 1 over number 7 multiplied with number 4 minus number 2 multiplied with number 3, and we have the matrix about D, that's about number 4, about A, that's about 7, number 2 and number 3 we just have negative sign. This one we got about 1 over 22, and we have the matrix. So we have 1 over 22 multiplied with number 4, negative number 3, negative number 2 and number 7, and we got the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching, and the answer of the question is about D.